In this video, I'll be redrawing 2 of my old drawings. I made this drawing back in 2nd grade, almost 6 years ago. This one I made in 4th grade. I'm going to redraw it and see if I have improved over the years. Anyway, I bought a new set of markers. I'm excited to use these. Wow! They are apparently not color organized, but we can fix that. I also bought the set of white gel pens. Testing. They work well. I'll be using these 2 supplies for drawing today. I'm testing out the different shades of the marker set. There are 48 shades, which is a lot. I'll start with this one. I'm using my sketchbook to redraw these old drawings. And later on, I'll be sticking the old drawing next to the new one, to compare and see if I've improved. Right now, I'm roughly sketching Tom and Jerry with a pencil. After I've finished the sketch, I'll be using my new set of markers to color it. Hope it turns out well. Also, sorry that it's taking a long time. I've sped it up as much as I can. Anyway, if you want a part 2 of these, leave a comment down below. Okay, done with the rough sketch. Now I'm outlining the drawing. I think it's going to be better than my old drawing. Rubbing off the extra pencil marks, now moving on to coloring. I can color much easier and better with these markers. If I want to find the perfect shade, I can just check the page where I tested the different shades. There's 2 sides, one is the fine liner and the other is the chisel nib. I'm using the smaller nib now because I have to color precisely. Now, I'm using my new white gel pens to give the details of this drawing. All finished. Oh. The marker gets on the back side. I'm sticking the old drawing next to the new one, so that I can compare the 2 drawings. Which one is better, old or new? Have I improved? Okay, it's time for the second drawing. The old version of this looks better than the Tom and Jerry one, because I drew it a couple of years later, that is, 4th grade. Let's see if I improved after 4 years. Okay. Starting on the outlining now. This one was actually this Barbie chef's drawing I found online. I wanted to draw the character and didn't want it to look like Barbie. So in the improved version it's also not going to look like Barbie. Also, I'm going to add the colorful stripes in the background in my new drawing. Now done coloring, adding the details with white gel pens. And as I said, now I'm adding those stripes in the background. I think it just makes the drawing more colorful. Think I'll add some white lines on those stripes too. Now comparing the 2, which one is better and have I improved? Tell me in the comments. Anyways, bye! Please like if you enjoyed this video, comment, and subscribe for more art videos.